Did you know Bentley Copilot can help you locate your model in its real-world location? The first step is opening Bentley Copilot. Once this assistant loads, we will navigate to the text bar and ask how to see our design in its real-world location. Then click Send. Once the assistant responds, we are provided with a typical workflow that runs us through a step-by-step process of assigning a coordinate system, verifying the location, and attaching a map. Next, it provides us with what tools to look out for within MicroStation to assist us, and reminds us to note that if our design is not yet georeferenced, it will not be placed accurately on the map. To begin this workflow, we will open the Coordinate System tool to assign a GCS to the model. Since our model is georeferenced on the east coast of Florida, we will select an appropriate coordinate system within Florida. Once we have this selected, we will click OK. MicroStation will automatically attach Google background maps, and we can see that our model is accurately placed. Selecting the background map tool lets us change the map type. Let's switch to the road map. Once again, you can see our model accurately placed on a road map. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the MicroStation channel to keep up with news and demos.